Are you a music teacher feeling overwhelmed and on the brink of burnout? You're not alone. Teaching music can be incredibly rewarding, but it can also be demanding and stressful. To prevent burnout, it's important to set boundaries. Don't overextend yourself by taking on too many commitments. Learn to say no when necessary and prioritize self-care. Another tip is to establish a routine. Creating a schedule can help you stay organized and manage your time effectively. Make sure to include time for relaxation and hobbies outside of music. Additionally, don't forget to take care of your physical health. Get enough sleep, eat well, and exercise regularly. A healthy body can lead to a healthy mind. Lastly, remember why you started teaching music in the first place. Find joy in your work by celebrating small victories and connecting with your students. By following these tips, you can prevent burnout and continue to inspire the next generation of musicians. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.